All right, I think I'm good to get out of here right now. It's kind of smelly right now, and I'm glad they got the smoke detectors covered up. And if you have a smoke detector attached to a security alarm system or something, make sure you get that one covered up, because the other day they started spraying and just the fine dust particles from the paint got up to the smoke detector and it set it off. And we had to call the alarm company and all that kind of stuff. Okay, here's his paint can. He just leaves it out here. One thing you want to make sure is that doesn't get empty. He's almost empty there. I might want to mention that to him, because you don't want to run out of paint. Okay. Hey, Christian. Hey, he's almost out of paint out of his 5-gallon container. Do you have any more paint?
I believe so.
You can dump in there. He's spraying in there, but you might want to remind him there's only about this much left in there.
Hey, bro, you're running out of paint. Do you have more? Where? Okay.
Okay, yeah. See if that gets empty,
Yeah, it's not good.
then he's gonna start.
Sand white? That's how they call?
I don't know.
It should be done.
Whatever. Make sure you get the right one. Because then it will start getting in the line, it will start spitting. Okay. You want to rent, I don't know, at the rental places, I don't know if they're this size. Maybe they are this size of a sprayer, or maybe they have smaller ones or something. You just have to look at a paint store. And if you rent one at a paint store and tell them, hey, I've never done this before, but I've only watched VideoJoe tape some guys, they'll explain to you how to run the paint machine and that kind of stuff, okay? All right, and that's the most important thing. Make sure that if you get different colors of paint, that you put the right stuff in there. Don't mix it all up. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.